Struggling with heavy sweat or wet patches on your clothes? Before using Anhydrol Forte to manage excessive sweating, there are a few key facts you should keep in mind. Stay with us until the end. Hello and welcome to Medzy Health. Today we are looking at Anhydrol Forte Roll On, a strong cutaneous solution containing 20% aluminum chloride hexahydrate used for hyperhidrosis. What is Anhydrol Forte? Anhydrol Forte is an antiperspirant solution that targets hyperhidrosis. It works by interacting with proteins in the sweat ducts, forming a temporary plug that prevents sweat from reaching the skin surface. Over time, these plugs naturally shed, making periodic application necessary. What is Anhydrol Forte used for? It is used to relieve persistent and severe sweating under the arms, on the palms of hands, or on the soles of feet. It helps keep the treated areas dry, reducing uncomfortable moisture, odor, and skin irritation caused by excess sweat. It is generally used when standard over-the-counter antiperspirants fail to control heavy perspiration. How should you use it? Ensure the treatment area is completely clean and thoroughly dry before application. Apply a thin layer at bedtime, as sweat glands are most quiet during sleep, allowing the solution to work effectively. Wash the area with water in the morning to remove remaining product. Do not shave or use hair removal products on the treatment area within 24 hours before or after applying Anhydrol Forte. Possible side effects. Common mild reactions include skin stinging or tingling upon application, redness or dry skin, and mild itching. Applying the product to wet skin significantly increases stinging, so making sure skin is 100% dry is essential to minimize discomfort. Important precautions. Keep the product away from delicate fabrics, jewelry, and metal surfaces, as aluminum chloride can cause staining or damage. Do not use on inflamed, broken, or freshly shaved skin. Speak to your pharmacist or doctor if you experience persistent irritation or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Anhydrol Forte is a powerful solution for hyperhidrosis, offering real relief from excessive sweating when used with proper care. Always read the product instruction sheet carefully to ensure correct application and safety. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Medzy Health, and turn on notifications for more simple medicine information. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace advice from your doctor or pharmacist. Always follow the instructions on your medicine and speak with a healthcare professional if you have questions about your treatment.